How to remove Gcash in Shopee. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you the process on how you will be able to unlink your Gcash from your Shopee payments whenever you order or buy a specific product. So first things first, make sure that you have opened your Shopee just like what we have over here on our screen. Click on your Me or your profile section over here on the bottom right. And after that, you're going to look for this section that says My Wallet. After that, all you need to do is to click on Shopee Pay, which is typically what handles the connection between Gcash and Shopee because of course, Gcash is an online wallet. And to be able to use it, actually, you would need to connect Shopee Pay and Gcash together to transfer some funds. And after that, if you click on the settings over here on the top right, you will be able to see Link Payment Methods. So simply open that and Gcash should appear in this section. So if ever you are using Gcash as your payment method to fill up your Shopee Pay, it should appear here, and this is the area where you will be able to unlink it as well or remove it. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.